Happy Friday. Today is our remote learning day, and I want to just go over really quick our assignments that you need to complete. First of all, after you watch this video, go ahead and hit mark as done. Next, you'll see it says all the right type lessons. What you're doing in all the right type is you're logging in, and you need to make sure you've completed some timings. Okay, so these are going to be in this purple section. We're going to do timing for 40, 41, and 42. When you go and take those, you'll just hit this arrow. It'll time you for 1 minute. When you're done, your score will come back and you'll see your speed and you'll see how many mistakes you made. I then want you to go right back and do it again. And your goal is to try to beat the speed that you just got. All right. So when you are finished with 40 and you've done it twice, you'll go on to 41. Again, do it twice, and 42 and do it twice. This again, each of them are minutes. This should not take you any more than maybe it's like 8 minutes to finish because of clicking and moving on. So this should not be a very long assignment to do. When you have finished that, you're going to come back to this assignment and mark it as done. Next is you need to finish your table assignments. These assignments were the ones we worked on last week. They're under the section Google Docs document formatting. You need to finish table 1, which is our office supplies, and then table 2, holiday resort. Notice I only have 2 people who have finished the office supplies. All right. So if you don't have your handout anymore, each of these have a link to a picture of it, so you can have it there to know what you need to type. So you can kind of split your screen to be able to see both. And then this is a handout. This is what I had written up on the board. It goes through each line, so it tells you that the title row and that the title should be 14-point bold center in all caps, and then the subtitle is in 14 bold and center. And then you hit once after the title row. Then the next row is called our header row. This is where we put in our column headings. You're going to bold, center, and make those 12-point. Right? And then down here we have all our steps we're supposed to do when we're done typing, 1 through 5. So please make sure that you're doing all these steps, like adjusting the columns so that they are shrunk down to the longest possible word in each column. Make sure that you select the entire table and to center alignment so that this is centered on the page. And make sure that you apply shading using that paint bucket for the title row and the header row. Alrighty, that may take a little longer because there are 2 of them to finish. Once those are done, go ahead and mark this as done. And then I have just one last link, and this is to just watch a short video. It's only 8 minutes, but it talks about how Google Earth is made. And our next assignment is going to be a big Google Earth project. So I'd like you to understand how Google Earth is actually created. And it's a really cool video to watch. Again, when you're done with that, mark it as done. I do have a link here called I Need Help, Zoom link. This will be up from 7:45 until 3:15. I will be off of that Zoom from 10:30 till noon. I have to get my shot and I have lunch at that time. So if you need help, you can hop on that Zoom. I'll be live all day long. And if you are working past 3:15 and you need help, you can shoot me an email. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day and see you next week. Bye.